I'm Safraz Khan, a dedicated mathematics teacher. I've started a series of SAT preparation videos with years of experience helping students excel in their studies. For your information, SAT stands for Scholastic Aptitude Test. Whether you are a student preparing for SAT or a teacher guiding your students towards success, you are in the right place. The SAT exam is a crucial step in your academic journey. It's not just a test, it's an opportunity to open doors to your dream universities and future careers. We will work together to deal with complex math problems, and I'll be giving you tips, tricks, and practice tasks, and university style entry tests too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click notification bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos on SAT. Thank you very much for listening.